Oh my goodness, I was so excited to see that Taraji has her own products, like her own hair products. Majority of it is for natural hair, but she did have some products for relaxed hair. And so those are the products that I use. Super excited to see how this goes. If you want to see how it goes before knotless braids, stay tuned. So I always have my hair tied if it's like perfectly done or whatever. But definitely, I always have my hair tied, which is healthy for your hair for African American females. And so right here, I'm just taking that out. What I'm going to do is just comb it all out so that it kind of gives you less opportunity to have like knots in your hair. It allows all the dead hair or whatever shedding to come out. So then I'm just going to, as you can see, wash it down, comb it down, and get it all in the direction where I'm going to wash my hair. You can see that I keep my hair moisturized. I try to make sure that at least I have some type of moisture on my scalp. Now I'm going to wash with the Taraji P Henson's shampoo and just get it all lathered into my hair. First, I go for a simple wash and just try to get the initial dirt or whatever out. And then after I'm done, I go in for a second wash. In addition to getting my hands all in there, I go back and take a wide tooth comb and try to get all the way down to the scalp. So I kind of comb it all out. That helps get the dead or the shedding hair out. And that helps to get all the way to your scalp and get whatever has built up on your scalp throughout time to come off as well. So now that I've done both washes with the shampoo, then I take a t-shirt and t-shirt dry my hair. So I don't want it to use a towel because a towel is really rough on your hair and it kind of makes your hair a little bit brittle. But the t-shirt keeps it in its healthy state. And for the most part, I just want it like damp dry. I don't want it all the way dry, obviously. So I'm going to use the t-shirt, get through it, and then get as much of the water off as I can that's just lingering there, or whatever product may be left, the t-shirt will get that off. So then I just clean the wide tooth comb, and after I get it all cleaned, I go back through and comb it again, because again, you don't want it to get strangled, knotty, or what have you, kind of keeping yourself from having shedding. It also gets all the product through your hair. Make sure that you've gotten all the product out. And now I'm going to go in with the conditioner and put it in. So when I put the conditioner in, I'm going to lather it throughout my entire head. So I'm going to get as much off as I can and just start working it through my hair. So the shampoo had my hair really soft. I really enjoyed using this product. Now I'm using the conditioner, and with the conditioner, it's even softer than the shampoo. So I just get it all through my scalp with a wide tooth comb, work it all the way through, make sure to get my edges as well with the product. I mean, I really enjoy this product because my hair was just so soft. It was just no shedding or hardly any shedding. Definitely not any that some other products have done. So I'm liking this. So I'm going to just take my little baggie, put it over and let it sit in for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'll wash it out. As you can see, not very much shedding, and I think it's all credit to this product. It's been really soft and gentle on my hair. I really love it. I'm definitely using it again. I didn't notice a deep conditioner with Taraji's products in the store that I went in, the Target that I went in. So I'm using Miele's deep conditioner hair mask because I don't have like natural hair. My hair is relaxed and permed. So the only products that I noticed Taraji had were ones for like natural hair. So I'm just going to comb my hair all the way out so that it's all kind of separated or what have you, and just lather the Miele hair mask throughout my entire head, like get every part of my hair. I normally start with a part. Sometimes I do 4 sections. Sometimes I do even more than 4, but I do whatever sections to make sure that I can get through the whole thing. So here I'm just doing 2 sections, and I'm not only going to get it through with my hand, but I'm definitely going to massage it through with the comb later as well. All right, got it all lathered in there. And so what I'm going to do at this point is just put the little baggie on and try to let it sit for a while. Normally I have it stay in overnight. Like I'll just put the nightcap on, or the plastic cap, and then I put like a winter cap over my hair, and then I go to sleep in that. But this time I don't have that much time, so I'm just going to let it sit in for 45 minutes and let my scalp give it that heat, because that's where the heat will come from. No need to put like artificial heat on, because your scalp will produce heat. And so now that I'm all done with that, I'm going to wash it out as good as I can. Definitely using the comb to get all the way through to the scalp. Definitely rinsing more than once. Again, even less shedding. So these products have been really helpful for my hair. So now I'm going to go through, make sure that I put some heat protector on my hair before I use the blow dryer. So I get the heat protector and just massage it through my entire scalp. And just make sure that at the end of the day, I'm trying to save my hair, less shedding, and just be gentle with it. But definitely get the product all the way through. Now my hair is all dry, so I'm going to go through and give my scalp some moisture. And Blue Magic has worked best for me. I've used other products, but Blue Magic seems to truly give me that magic. So I'm just going to put the grease on my actual scalp, but not my hair. So now I have all of my scalp moisturized. So I'm just going to put it all back and just tie my hair down at this point. So I washed my hair 2 days before my braiding appointment, and now we're getting my knotless braids rolling. I'm just so happy about it because my hair doesn't feel dry. It feels so healthy. My stylist didn't say anything, which is a good thing. Normally she would let me know like it's too dry, it's too brittle. So I absolutely love Nikita. She's getting my hair going, and the products that she's using to keep my hair moisturized are her products from the Braid Fairy. So it's the Geechee Hair Growth. I absolutely love it. You can buy it on her website. Actually, you can get to her on Instagram, and her website link is there. But here we go. Here's the journey. She's braiding my hair.